First of all, what's your evaluation of China's booming coffee market?
The majority of the money spent on coffee today is spent out of home. About 75% of the coffee money is out of home, and mostly over 60-70% is from coffee shops. In-home consumption, which was the original way consumers enjoy coffee in China, this is also growing, and it's reaching about $3 billion US dollar size. And in terms of volume, of course, it's much higher because the price per cup in home is much lower than in coffee shops or in offices or in hotels. So there is a growth on both sides. Now it's becoming more like a regular drinking, even take home, take to the office, and of course order, as we have a very good delivery system.
Okay. Are you just suggesting that the in-home consumption of coffee in China is roughly $3 billion?
Yes.
And that represents about 30% of the total sales?
Yes.
So the other...
We're talking about around 11 billion if we look at the out-of-home plus the in-home. Yeah.
$11 billion
yes.
annual sales?
Roughly, yeah.
At a growth rate of about...
The last year was almost double digits. Yeah, it was almost 10% total coffee. Yeah. Okay. And we think it's going to continue growing. Of course, there is the coffee shop expansion, which is driving it. But I see also in-home a lot of innovation, and this is driving, sometimes it's following coffee shops, sometimes it's anticipating what consumers may enjoy out of home. And this is also driving, of course, interest and growth.
You've worked in China's coffee market for many years. What's your prediction of the future growth potential of China's coffee market?
For sure, there is already a well-penetrated population which consumes coffee at home. And then coffee shops in the last 3 to 5 years, especially with some new Chinese coffee chains, have started penetrating lower tier cities. So both from in-home and out-of-home, I see a big trend. I think there's a lot of room. It will depend pretty much on how innovative also companies like us and Nescafé will be. Nescafé is the leading coffee brand in home. I think we can say with confidence that double-digit growth will continue in the next few years. Yeah, big opportunity, and we'd like to continue driving quality. And we'd like to continue driving also the source of coffee from Yunnan. I think this is a great opportunity for a lot of consumers to come and visit, because they are, of course, proud that there is such a high quality. Yunnan produces basically Arabica coffee and a lot of specialty coffee today. And we'll continue, of course, supporting not only the quality production, but also the export. Because for farmers, the most important is stability, that they have a good, stable growth in their business. And with our global reach, Nestlé and Nescafé can help these farmers export a lot of nice Arabica from Yunnan to the rest of the world. Today, 70-80% of what we purchase from here is actually exported thanks to our network.